Welcome to the Mac video for creating steps on ERS ESB plots. This video describes how to adjust the existing elevations for steps up or down in the construction of the embankment area. It is the fourth in a series of videos for QC data entry about ERS plots. Sometimes the line created from the existing elevation needs to be adjusted for things like retaining walls, and Mac will not allow you to enter more than one existing elevation at a station. When step lines are needed, some thought has to go into the entries, and additional embankment points will be needed at the station location of each step. Let's use a retaining wall ESB logbook and plan for the following steps. The retaining wall has embankment points at stations 100 plus 00 and 105 plus 00. The existing elevation is 80 feet and the proposed elevation is 91 feet for the entire area. At station 101 plus 30, it steps up to an elevation of 81. It remains at elevation 81 until station 101 plus 60, where it steps up to an elevation of 82. It remains at elevation 82 until station 101 plus 90, where it steps back down to an elevation of 81. It remains at elevation 81 until station 102 plus 10, where it steps down back to an elevation of 80. Navigate to the ERS project and click on the Logbooks tab to expand it. Select the ESB logbook from the Display drop-down list. We need to create 4 new embankment points for each station with the same existing and proposed elevations. Our elevations are constant, but this may not always be the case. Existing and proposed elevations may need to be interpolated from the plans for your embankment points. Select the Create Embankment Point option. A Create Embankment Point dialog box appears. Create embankment points for each step location. Select the Save option to create the embankment points at the step locations. Our new points have been added. Click on the Embankment Points tab to expand it. At the embankment point for the first step up or step down, select the Update icon. For our example, it is 101 plus 30. An Update dialog box appears. Select the Step Up Down indicator. A new field appears for step 2 elevation. Enter a higher elevation for a step up or a lower elevation for a step down. Our example is stepping up from elevation 80 to 81. Select the Save option. Select the Update icon on the next embankment point. Our example is 101 plus 60. We need to update the existing elevation to 81. Also at this station, the elevation steps up again, so we need to enter the step up elevation of 82. We will enter both. Select the Save option. The next step is at station 101 plus 90. We need to update the existing elevation here to 82. Also at this station, the elevation steps down again, so we need the step down elevation of 81. Select the Save option. Our example ends at station 102 plus 10. We need to update the existing elevation to 81 and the step down to an elevation of 80. Select the Save option. The plots are redrawn to account for the steps we created, both up and down. There are lifts on both sides of our steps for lifts 1 through 4, and lift 5 is one lift across the area and above the steps. To update or delete steps, use the Update icon on the embankment point. This function was demonstrated in the previous video. This concludes the Mac video for creating steps on ERS ESB plots. Thank you for reviewing the training. The next video in the series will describe how to create, update, and delete ESB pads for subgrade and base. If you need assistance with Mac, please contact your local district application coordinator. For assistance with ERS, contact the local district materials and research office earthwork specialist.